Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some products that I just picked up to help with the overall length of my hair, as in growing it, volume, as in growing new hair, and just help with the overall health of my hair. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. So recently on my channel, I just uploaded a video going over some products that I use either in or out of the shower that help to make my hair silky, smooth, and shiny, and just overall really soft. I got a lot of great feedback. You guys really seem to like that video, but I also did notice, and that's what's prompting this video, a lot of comments saying, wow, your hair looks so healthy, and just like, it just looks healthy, and that is great that you guys think it looks healthy. I'm really happy you do, because that means that people around me think it looks healthy too. However, if you guys know, if you know, you know. If you color your hair, if you're adding, chemicals in any way, shape, or form, whether you're going lighter or darker, it's causing some breakage, it's causing some damage, some split ends, and just not, like obviously any color you put in your hair isn't really great for it, no matter how many great products there are, like wheat proteins and stuff like that. So if you look at my channel, you can tell that I am definitely someone who colors their hair. I like to change things up a little bit, just not because I'm bored, but because I like change. So since I color my hair so much, we're wrapping up here, we're wrapping back to that initial point. Since I color my hair so much, it is not 100% healthy. I do have split ends. I do notice breakage, especially since going blonde. Bleach will not help with breakage at all. It's going to make it worse. It dries hair out. My hair isn't dry, but I do notice breakage. I notice split ends. And the more you brush your hair, the more breakage you have, the more heat you use in your hair, the worse, not the worse your hair is, but it's not good for your hair. So it's not 100% healthy, if I'm being real with you guys. So I got these products in hopes of growing my hair, thickening it, just, I want better hair for myself. So these are the products that I got. I got them on Amazon. I love Amazon so much. So I'll just go in order here. This is an everyday supplement. This is, okay, I gotta find a place for this box. And also, before I show you what I'm using, this is gonna be like a check back in with you guys video. I don't know if I want to upload every week or every other week, but I just want to see how my hair grows and how it looks. I'm gonna wear it straight every single time, kind of parted down the middle, just so everything is consistent. I'm not gonna zoom my camera in. I'm gonna try to have like this best frame. I don't ever adjust the height of my camera, so hopefully my results will be great. But yeah, so now onto the products that I'm going to be using. I don't actually know how to pronounce this brand, but this is Hairfluence. So this is a supplement. It comes with 60 supplements in a bottle. You're supposed to take 2 every day, obviously by mouth. So the supplement facts, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin B1 and 2, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, as folic acid, in parentheses, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, SD, calcium, MSM, collagen hydrolysate, bamboo, 70% extract, and hydrolyzed keratin. So those are the ingredients in here. Read them right here. I'm not really sure how focused I'm going to get here, but that's the ingredients. And I looked at a bunch of different hair supplements on Amazon. I wasn't really sold on like keratin oil or hair treatments per se, because like I mentioned, yes, my hair looks healthy, except for obviously I don't like this breakage right here. I'm sure you guys don't either, so I try to hide it. But yeah, my hair looks pretty healthy. It's shiny, it's smooth, it's soft. But those are all because of things I'm putting onto my hair. So I don't really feel like putting stuff onto my hair, since I do use all those products, is going to actually cause it to grow or to get thicker, or maybe it'll help seal breakage, help make the hair a little stronger, but not exactly what I'm looking for, because I do definitely want my hair to grow. My hair was very long at one point, and now I've been kind of just like trimming up and up and up, trying to get rid of split ends and breakage, and it feels like there will never be an end, which Obviously, you can't get rid of all your split ends, but I can try, right? So anyway, this is a hair growth formula supplement. So this is going to hopefully make my hair grow. I saw a lot of positive reviews on Amazon. By the way, everything I use in this video I will link down below. But I saw a lot of positive reviews from this on Amazon and a lot of positive pictures of results of all these people's hair growing. And men and women did take this. So if you're a guy and you're looking for like something to lengthen your hair or something to grow your hair, then this might be a good one for you too. Again, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. But this didn't run me too much money. Let me get the price for you. This cost me $21.99. So there are more expensive supplements out there. There are less expensive, I can't talk today. There are more and less expensive supplements out there. So I thought, you know what, why not? It's got a bunch of reviews. Most of them look pretty good. So let's do it. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to take these today. I'm not going to wash my hair today, which is what I'm going to get into next. But I'm definitely going to take these today. And I think I do want to make a little check back in video every week. Let me see. Can I zoom out or am I? No, that's in. That's about as far as it goes. Okay, there we go. So this is the length of my hair right now. I'm going to wear it straight every single time. So this is it. I did give myself a little trim up today, just so while I'm doing this, I won't be tempted to trim my hair. And also while I'm doing this, I'm going to try not to do too much with the heat. Coming back in. Okay, so yeah, that's what I got. I also got a shampoo and a conditioner. This is the shampoo. It is Biotin shampoo for men and women. That's what the packaging looks like. So this is a topical treatment infused with biotin and provitamin B5 and 11, which are nutrient-rich botanicals to clean the hair and scalp of dandruff flakes. So I don't need this for dandruff. I don't have dandruff, but it does remove DHT buildup and promotes circulation and stimulates hair follicles. So that is what I'm most concerned with, is promotes circulation and stimulates hair follicles, because your hair will grow better and hopefully with that supplement faster. So that's what I got this for. It says rinse hair and work shampoo into rich lather, apply liberally throughout hair. So this one you're supposed to leave on for 2 to 3 minutes so your hair can absorb the nutrients in the shampoo, and then you rinse it out. I didn't buy, actually I'm not even sure if there is like a matching conditioner with this. I bought something else which I'm really excited to try. But yeah, let me get you the price on this one. This one ran me $11.95, and the reason that I clicked on this in the first place is, well, what did it look like? Oh, it's listed as Biotin shampoo for hair growth. So that's what drew me to click on this in the first place, because like I said, I really want my hair to grow back to super, super long. And then I also did pick up a conditioner. This is Silk 18. That's kind of what the packaging looks like. I'll show you what the bottle looks like. Anyway, the reason that I bought this and the shampoo is because I saw a lot of positive reviews. This one I liked because it didn't have a lot of, well, it doesn't have like almost any bad products in it, like harsh ingredients. Let's see. No carcinogens, no artificial fragrances or colors, no harsh ingredients, and it's not tested on animals. It's safe for most hair color treatments, sulfate-free, BPA-free, paraben-free, and it's like a gentle conditioner is what this was described as. So after you clean your hair with shampoo, you massage, that's interesting. You massage the conditioner into your hair, starting from roots until the tips, and you allow 1 or 2 minutes for absorption, and then you rinse out. The other reason I got this, I was sold on these silk amino acids, which are going to help to make your hair a lot smoother, a lot silkier, obviously. And let's see what it says here. There are many benefits to the conclusive formula, which include natural restoration for ideal hair texture. And that's under the little silk amino acids paragraph. It also has botanical keratin, which keratin is what helps to make your hair grow. It is a fibrous protein which contributes to the composition of your hair. And then it also has jojoba, I feel like I never say that right, jojoba and argan oil, which helps you know, make things soft and smooth and silky. So I'm really excited to try this. And it also says this formula is good for frizziness, dry hair, curly hair, static reduction, which is important for the winter time, and gently conditions to result in soft, shiny, and easy to manage hair. It also is complemented with soft and natural vanilla undertones. But yeah, so these are the products I got, plus my supplements. I'm really, really, really excited to try these. I hope this helps grow my hair. So one more time, let me zoom out, so we can get the full effect, the full length. So really, right now, this is like a little longer than armpit length. I'll be coming back and looking at the overall length of my hair. I'm not going to delete these clips so I can, you know, really see for myself. I'll be taking pictures. Yeah, I'm really excited. But that is pretty much all I have for you guys. Wish me luck. Once again, I think I said it like 3 times, but everything that I'm using is linked down below. My whole total cost me like 45 bucks. I do have Amazon Prime, so if you don't have Prime, you might be paying a little more for shipping, but that is the extent of it. I will check back in with you guys in another week or so and see if my hair has grown at all, or see if I feel any noticeable difference, or if I notice like any new hair growth, or if it looks thicker. I don't know. Wish me luck. Bye, guys.